February 2020, Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled the constitution of Shri Ram Janmbhoomi Teerth Kshetra to oversee the construction of the Ram Temple in Ayodhya, and now the idol of Lord Ram Lalla will be installed at its original place in the upcoming temple in Ayodhya by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the third week of January 2024, said Shri Ram Janmbhoomi Teerth Kshetra Treasurer Swami Govind Giri Maharaj. Maharaj ji came to Dombivli, Maharashtra to inaugurate various programs. He told the media the work on Lord Ramchandra's temple in Ayodhya is progressing very quickly and well, and as of now the work on the temple is 70% completed. Govind Giri also said that the idol of Ram Lalla had been kept in a cloth pandal for a long period before it was shifted to a small temple. It is certain that in the third week of January 2024, Ram Lalla will be installed at its original location, and arrangements will be made for devotees to visit and pray in person from that day only. He further stated that our target is to complete the work on the Sanctum Sanctorum, a first floor, and arrangements for darshan, while the work of the rest of the temple's craftsmanship will continue. On November 9, 2019, a 5-judge Supreme Court bench led by Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi ruled in favor of Ram Lalla and said that the entire disputed land spread over 2.7 acres will be handed over to a trust formed by the government, which will monitor the construction of a Ram temple at the site.